Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn on Do Not Disturb mode on the Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you do not want any notification on the Messenger, if you are doing any work and you are facing too much distraction of this Messenger app, so you want to turn on Do Not Disturb mode, so let me show you how you can do it. Open up your main menu and then go to settings, and then you will see over here a bunch of options. Over here you have to simply scroll up and you will see over here notification and sounds. Click on that, and then you will see over here on the top a do not disturb mode option over here. So you have to do is click on that toggle to turn this on and set the time when you are free, or the hours when you are free to auto turn off this option over here. So for me, I want to enable this option until 8 a.m. So click on that and then it's gonna be turned on. Or if you want to change the time, you have to simply turn off and then again turn on. You wanna shift it to 15 minutes or like 1 hour or like 8 hour or 24 hour, you can simply click on that and then it's gonna be turned on, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.